Happy holidays, y'all. Here I find myself on Broad Street by the J-Line. I'm about to show you guys my second home. It's rent-free. Once again, rent-free, all right? Check it out, I pay no rent. Okay, so goes my 1957 payphone. My nice little graffiti art that I have hanged up there. My old-fashioned record player. Got my printer. My little box there. And I got a nice bed right here too. And I just gotta get all this moved out. Got a flat screen TV right there. Got a nice outlet there to plug it in, hang up the TV. Okay. And got a nice hand truck. I just gotta organize a lot of things out here. And I guess that's about it. All right. Got this nice light that's working, nice outlet. All right. So I'm glad you guys enjoyed yourselves, and wishing you guys the best. And this is an example of what it's like to live rent-free.